Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to get some extra points on Bigo Live. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to launch the Bigo Live app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app and on your screen you can see there's live video, go live chats and me option. Select me and scroll down. There's Task Center. On the Task Center, you can see the check-in, live pass, diamond mission, etc. Under diamond mission, you can see they are giving few missions like watch live for 3 minutes, for a frozen diamond, pack gifts, etc. Now, under send any gift and consume 20 diamonds, you are getting a frozen diamond, pack gifts 1 and 1 badge a day. Under live pass, you can see there are other missions. And on the check-in, if you select check-in reminder, they're gonna give you another missions and gifts. Under extra bonus, there are similar other offers. And guys, that's it. Following the missions given by the app can help you get extra points in Bigo Live. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.